We just started carrying these smart water detectors by Moen. They're really easy to install, and you can maybe put them around a water heater, water softener, or somewhere you want to keep an eye on just to make sure you don't have any leaks. If it detects water in the area, it will send an alert to your phone via the Flow by Moen app. It comes with that plug-in sensor, or you can just use the housing itself to set it down on the ground, and if it gets wet, it'll alert you. For this setup, I'm going to stick it to the side of the water heater, put the sensor down in the water heater pan, and then the customer will connect it to their Wi-Fi to their phone, and if anything leaks, they'll get notified.